your ads real quick, okay?
These are the images we are seeing with more frequency. Videos from cameras worn on the uniforms of officers of the law.
Stop right here, stop right here, stop right here.
Real people, officers, and citizens whom we may recognize in our own neighborhoods.
You said you were at the park this morning? I'm just asking, bro. I'm laid back. Like, okay, hang on for just a second.
We see their interaction through the limited perspective of the digital iris.
Put your hands behind your back.
Do you understand those charges?
These images often make the news, and they're posted on social media.
Okay, Jeff, we're going to swap out cuffs, okay?
It's drama of the most gritty kind. Yet it's also real life. These people aren't actors. They're not playing roles. They're private citizens.
The privacy issue is one of the biggest issues involving body-worn cameras, much bigger than our mobile car cameras that we've had for many, many years.
And there are many important considerations in the body cam conversation, such as the costs involved. Who pays for the equipment, editing, and storage? These concerns are sparking debate in many circles. It's a topic of discussion in the halls of the Utah House and Senate this year. And it's a matter of debate among this group of hundreds of Utah teens. They are members of city youth councils, participating in a mock committee hearing as part of the Utah League of Cities and Towns Local Officials Day at the Legislature.
I would bring up a couple of issues that law enforcement has with this.
Joining in the discussion, Chief Ross and State Representative Dan McKay, who is currently introducing a bill about body-worn cameras by law enforcement in the state legislature.
Don't have 360 view.
Okay, I have a question for you.
In this mock committee hearing, the students debate their own bill as they learn firsthand how the process works. Their proposed bill would require law enforcement officers to wear cameras in a conspicuous place while on duty. They debate privacy, the statute of limitations, and when recording should be released to third parties.
They're balancing the same issues that I've been balancing in dealing with this issue. What's privacy like? How much a storage going to be? Those are the same issues as a state lawmaker that I'm dealing with. It's comforting. They get it. It was impressive.
Well, we're the next generation. We're coming up there, and the problems are going to be ours soon, so we've got to know exactly what's going on.
It's definitely a big issue in our society today, especially because there's a lot of officer corruption that we see in the news a lot. So I definitely think it's a great thing that we're all hitting it together as like a form of youth council.
I'm very aware of the different attacks that have been made towards police officers, and that's very concerning since I have so many police officer friends and respect them so much.
They obviously have a better grasp in what's going on in our society than many of us give them credit for, and they brought up some very valid and important questions in that process.
The mock hearing teaches students about the process, but Representative McKay makes it clear any real initiative will also be affected by funding and the constraints of the budget. For the Utah League of Cities and Towns, I'm Susan Wood.